Hey guys, EVP Man here, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at a Nintendo Switch dock that takes us from something that looks like this to something like this. It's the Genki Covert dock. Let's check it out. Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at the Genki Covert dock. It's a Nintendo Switch dock that's really going to reduce the size of how much you carry, especially if you take your Nintendo Switch with you everywhere. Let's take a look at some of the specs, and we'll see how it works. Now, before doing the unboxing, let's check out some of the specs and why you'd want to consider this for your Nintendo Switch. So first of all, this is a USB-C PD charger. It's 3.0. Not only will this charge your Switch, but it's going to charge your MacBook, it's going to charge your iPad, iPhone, Android device, any tablet, literally any USB-C chargeable device, you can plug it in. So it's a multi-purpose solution. You don't have to carry something for your Switch and then something separate for your other devices. You also have a USB-A 3.1 connector, right? So you can see how this will work with multiple things. So it works with the Genki audio, it works with controllers, it also works with Ethernet and a USB drive. And then, this is where the magic comes in, it's a HDMI DisplayPort output. So again, this is going to allow you to take your Nintendo Switch and connect it to any video source. Now inside the box, you're going to find several accessories that are really going to make this super useful. Not only do you have the Covert dock here, but you also have this travel adapter that allows you to connect it in a variety of outlets all over the world. So remember, this is not just for your Nintendo Switch, but it will charge all your devices. So this is great to have this all-in-one solution. Now you also have a USB-C cable that you use for your Nintendo Switch, and you also can use this for any of the devices that we mentioned. And what I really like about this cable is that it's right angled, which means you're not going to have that cable coming out. So if you're playing with your Nintendo Switch, it kind of guides the cable over to the right or to the left, depending on how you connect it. Now the dock itself is super compact, and it's also extremely portable. First of all, here you have your HDMI out, USB-A for charging, and then or for any peripheral, and then you have USB-C. Look how small this thing is. And then over here, what I like is that this just tucks away really nicely. So if you're going to put this in a backpack, you don't have to worry about anything getting bent. Pretty much that is all there is to it. So we're going to plug it in, and I'm going to use a desk lag monitor. It's an 8K monitor to see how our Nintendo Switch works. Now let's take a look at how I have the Nintendo Switch connected to the Covert dock. So check this out. Here I have my Nintendo Switch. It's connected via this USB-C. USB-C is connected to the dock. HDMI is going to this portable monitor, and you can see the overall gameplay and experience that's going on here. Now one of the things that you may be concerned about, because it was definitely a concern for me, will the Covert dock damage your Nintendo Switch? There are a lot of power adapters out there and a lot of other solutions that overpowered the Nintendo Switch, and there's been reported cases of where they've been, bricked or just damaged. That's not the case with this. This device has been certified to work with the Nintendo Switch and not to cause it any damage. So definitely a great solution, especially if you like carrying your Nintendo Switch with you, and if you have a laptop, a tablet, or a phone, because this powers all those devices too.